Guys, today we're taking a look at 4 protection options for the iPhone 17 Pro from ESR. We've got the hybrid magnetic case, we've got the soft magnetic case, and we've got the tough magnetic case, and we're also going to take a look at their UltraFit Armorite Pro screen protector. Now, Apple says we've got Ceramic Shield 2 on the front of our iPhones, but let's be honest, as strong as they say it is, none of us actually want to put this test to that theory. And guys, with the back reverting to aluminium and the cost of these phones creeping even higher, protection isn't really optional anymore. So if you want to see which case makes the most sense for you and whether this screen protector is any good, stick around. I'll be back in just a few seconds. What's up, YouTube? Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. Right, so I've been using my iPhone 17 Pro for a while, and whilst I've tried a whole bunch of different cases and screen protectors, and I have to say, with these devices costing more than $1,000, even though these cases make your phone bulkier, they're a must-have. So today, we have 3 different cases from ESR to show you, and we've also got their Armorite Pro screen protector. Now, before we get into it, guys, ESR did send these cases to me and the screen protector to give my honest opinion. And you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So let's get them all unboxed and see what we have. Right, guys, let's start with the UltraFit Armorite Pro screen protector. Now, inside the box, you get full installation frame, cleaning kit, dust removal, stickers, and importantly, you get 3 screen protectors in the pack. I mean, that's something I pretty much love because not many brands give you 3. I can tell you, I've tried a few and it's always 1. So whether you mess one up or whether you've got multiple phones in the house, you are covered. Now guys, installation honestly couldn't be easier. Clean the screen, dry it properly, pop the phone into the tray, close it, pull the tab, give it a few seconds, and that is it. Peel the top layer off, and genuinely, that's about as close to perfect as you're going to get. And if there are any edge bubbles or anything like that, the included squeegee sorts them out in seconds. And once it's on, it feels like proper glass. No weird textures, no dull finish, just clean, smooth glass. Now, I must admit, I didn't actually fit one as I already have one on, and it's got no bubbles, it's got no scratches, so I don't have any reasons to take that one off. But I've used a very, very similar system, and I've no reason to doubt that this will be any different. And when the time comes, I will publish a fresh video of me showing you the fit. Now guys, on to the cases. First up, the hybrid magnetic case. Now, this one is designed to show off your phone. You've got a clear or a frosted back, solid frame, MagSafe built in, and a kickstand integrated right into the camera guard. Now, I'm using the frosted one in orange, and I've got to say, it's pretty nice and it feels solid. Without too much bulk, this is a nice case. The kickstand works well whether in portrait mode or landscape mode, although portrait is fairly angled due to the design of the kickstand. Then guys, we've got the soft magnetic case, and you know what, this one has a tiny microfiber lining inside, which is definitely not going to cause any scratching on your expensive device. You have a few color options. This one's obviously the blue, and of course you get that kickstand built into the camera guard again. And you know what, I like it, the silicone feels so soft, and so does the microfiber lining. And finally guys, the tough magnetic case. Now, you know what? This one is the chunky one. Multi-layer design, reinforced corners, textured grip, and definitely aimed at someone who wants the maximum protection. Now guys, let's look at how these actually feel day to day. Well, starting with the hybrid magnetic case, this is the one you're going to want if you want to show off the colour of your phone. It keeps that clean look, but it adds proper drop protection at the corners. Buttons are tactile, clicky, with no soft, some of these buttons, like you push them and everything's going off, but not these ones. And the camera controls work perfectly. And you know what, guys? The fit is solid. It snaps on properly. It passes the twist test, which is pretty important because you don't want your phone like bulging out or anything like that. Also, guys, the screen lip is raised at the corners, so if you do place it face down, especially with the screen protector fitted, it's protected. MagSafe strength is strong, properly strong, and it holds the full weight of the phone without sliding off. And like I said, that metal kickstand doubles as a camera guard, which, is pretty useful. Now, guys, what about the soft magnetic case? Well, this one is more about grip and comfort. Silicone finish, softer in the hand, microfiber lining, and you know what? You're not scratching the back of your aluminium phone. Compared to Apple's own silicone cases, this doesn't feel as greasy. It still has that soft touch and that soft feel, but it's not picking up any fingerprints or anything like that, so pretty nice. And again, the buttons are consistent. Camera control works perfectly. You got MagSafe magnets that are strong, and that kickstand gives you the same landscape or portrait viewing. Now, guys, it's slightly heavier than the hybrid, but you know what? Not dramatically, but it's a lovely case. Now, guys, the tough magnetic case. This one is built very different. Multi-layer construction with a solid outer shell. I mean, I can't even squeeze that together. You also get this shock-absorbing inner layer, and you can actually see how it's designed to take an impact. Now, it is noticeably thicker, noticeably heavier, but that's the trade-off. You get a deeper screen lip for protection for the screen. You get USB-C port cover. You get more aggressive corner protection, and you get texture sides for grip. If you work on site or outdoors, or you're just clumsy, this one is for you. And guys, the MagSafe still holds strong, even with the extra weight of the case, which definitely impressed me. So which one would I pick? Well, if you want to show off your colour, go for the hybrid. If you want comfort and everyday use, soft. If you want maximum protection, you don't care about bulk, tough. I mean, back to that screen protector now, guys. And this UltraFit Armorite Pro uses Corning glass, claims to be 10 times stronger than generic protectors, up to 2.5 times better scratch resistance and reduced scratch visibility. And guys, look, every glass screen protector makes similar cases for how good they are for scratch and strength, but the real differentiator is how installation looks so ridiculously simple. If you've avoided screen protectors because you hate lining them up or because they leave you in a bubble frenzy, we know what, this solves that. So guys, there you have it. 3 different levels of protection for the back and one for the front. The hybrid magnetic case is great if you want to keep your phone looking premium. The soft magnetic case is probably the sweet spot for most people. And you know what? That tough magnetic case is for those who want serious protection. And for the UltraFit Armorite Pro screen protector, honestly, it's one of the easiest installs you'll ever do. And for peace of mind alone, I just wouldn't run a phone without one. And guys, at the time of this video going live, you can pick these cases up for around £16 to £22, depending on the model. And the screen protector is around £22 to £25 with some deals. I'll also leave any links and any further discounts in the description. And guys, if you have any comments or questions, then please leave them in the comment section below. And if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to ESR for sending me these cases and screen protector to review. I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.